Let me continue, ma. Before that, what I said, Ruskin, he was a Ruskin born when he was a small boy. He was living with his grandparents. His grandfather was a military man and he used to get many awards. After his grandmother died, they went away from the place. He was sailing in the ship. He was also a soldier. After 25 years, he came back to the place, old place where he lived, and he wanted to see what are the things changed or not. As per a thing, the house was not changed. A small girl came and inquired. He said what are the experiences he got. With the girl's permission, he went inside the house and was sitting under the mango tree, which is the favorite tree of him, and he was fond of jackfruit tree also. Under the jackfruit tree, he hid his valuable treasures. What are the valuable treasures? I said marble, unread book, and then some pieces of old coins. Everything he kept. He was hiding inside the banyan tree, that is jackfruit tree. And moreover, there was iron cross also. The iron cross he got his grandfather's, not Ruskin's. His grandfather got the iron cross, and he took this one when he was fighting with German. The German war he got as a blessing, gift it is. He got from a German soldiers. The German soldier would have got the cross, iron cross. After defeating him, he got the cross, and he gave the cross no silvai po solluvom paranga. He gave it to the grandson. He was hiding that also in the under the jackfruit tree. Okay. Now he is telling these are the things there. Okay. The girl said, okay, I'll go and find out. Then the girl asked, when he was talking about the cross, the girl asked, do you still have it? Do you still have it means what? Still, till now. இதுவரை உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறதா still. Do you still have it? The man said, the Ruskin said, no. I am looking her in the eyes. I left in the jackfruit tree. What is it? Along with my treasures. I kept the cross also under the tree. You left in the tree? She asked. Yes. I was so excited at the time, packing and saying goodbye to the people and thinking about the ship I was going to sail on that I simply forgot all about it. What is it? Then girl asked, such a valuable thing. How can you forget like that? How can you keep under the tree? Because it's a reward for him, reward for the grandfather. He got this reward from the German soldiers after a war. So she asked, how can you take this one as simple? He said, because they were in the hurry to move from that place. Because his grandmother was no more and is moving along with the parents and grandfather to some other place. So out of hurry, that too they moved by this ship only, they are sailing in the ship. So out of hurry, out of thing, he left there itself and he came. He said it was under the jackfruit tree only. Then the girl asked, it may still there in the hollow part of the branch. What he said? What the girl said? Maybe, certainly, if you leave there, it will be there only, I'll say. Then what author said, Ruskin said, yes, I kept there only, but it was before 25 years. So if anybody would have taken, what can we do? The girl said, don't worry. Would you like to see again? The girl asked, would you like to see? Then what Ruskin's answer for that? No, I could not climb the tree because he is middle-aged now. Then what the girl said, no, you cannot, but I can. I'll go and see. And without waiting for the response from the author, Ruskin, she ran away very fastly without chappals, with the bare foot, hurried very fast, digging somewhere, and finally she shouted, I got it. Who shouted like that? The girl shouted, I got it. Now, the barefoot means what? Without chappals. She ran breathlessly towards him in her outstretched hand and got a rusty old medal. The old medal was not as it is. Before that, how he kept it was not like that. It was because of 25 years over. It was rusted. Rusted means what? That's full of brown eyed, it is rusty. Okay. Thrupudichinu sollume, adha rusty. He took it from her and turned it over on his palm. Ruskin immediately was very anxious. He took it from her and keeping on the form and watching it, how it is. Okay. Is it the iron cross? She asked eagerly. The girl was very happy because at least he just found one of the old things what he got. She asked, how it is? He said, yes, this is the cross. Now I know why you came. You wanted to see if it was still on the tree. The girl said, now I know. You want to find out the treasures as well as the iron cross. Mainly you have come for the iron cross, besides the pride thing, for that only you have come, she said. What he said, what the Ruskin said, you may be bright, not only for the iron cross, I came for the other one. What for he came? To see the iron cross if possible, and he want to see the youth, what he lost in that house. So that time only he was youth, no? So he was just recollected it. Then he was watching, and she said, no, not only for the cross, but even for the youth what he lost. Then he said, he gave it to the cross to the girl. And she said, no, you keep it yours. But Ruskin said, it could have remained the tree for another 25 years if you had not climbed up to look for it. But if you had not come back again, the girl said, sorry, more than 25 years, the man Ruskin said, suppose if I am not coming to the correct time, you are also now small girl. After 25 years, you have become middle-aged. So you cannot climb up on the trees. So we could not get. So I have come in right time to collect the grass. Who said like that? Ruskin said. Ruskin come in correct time, right time. He has come to the right person. If any other person in that place, the place of small girl, certainly they would not find and give it to him. But the girl is very kind enough. So she is the right person. At the same time, Ruskin also came in the correct time. He has come in the correct time, correct person and correct place, and finally he got the cross. Okay. She did not understand that. Then the Ruskin said, I have not come for the cross alone. I was come for my youth. The girl cannot understand what it is because he experienced it. He only knows what the thing he lost in that place. She did not understand that, but she walked with him to the gate and waited. They have come to the entrance. Where the road turned, he looked back and waved to her till the road ceases, and till the end she was looking at the girl and showed goodbye to her. Then he quickened her steps and moved briskly towards the bus stop. Till that only he was walking slowly to watch the girls. After that he went away fastly to the bus stop to get the bus. The mango-scented summer breeze made the blood course in his veins, and he forgot for a moment that he could not climb the trees anymore. That scented mango and the jackfruit made him to climb the tree again, but he could not because he was in the middle-aged. Clear? Do you know the story? Where is the cross now? The cross with the Ruskin? No, the cross with the small girl. It is a present given to her. The present is given to the small girl by Ruskin. Mainly what for he has come there? To see his youth, to see the last youth, what he lost 25 years before. He want to recollect his points and everything he collected, and he was happy with the self-contented mind, with full satisfaction. He left the place by bidding a goodbye to the girl. This is the story. Clear? Only two characters here. One is Ruskin, other one is small girl. Mainly Ruskin came to find out the last youth and some of the valuable treasures. Valuable treasures I said already, some marbles. He was not reading one book, unread book it is, and some coins. Mainly for the cross. Then all the things, out of all the things, the girl found only the cross. Even the cross also he has given back to the girl, and he said he has mainly come to get his youth back. That's not possible. At least he recollected the memories of the past. Clear? This is the lesson. If you all understand, try to answer the questions by yourself. The statements are given at the back. You have to say whether it is true or false. The visitor had hidden a few old coins in the tree. Is it correct or not? What are the things hidden in the tree? Old coins, marbles and a book. So it is true. The jackfruit tree was still there. Yes. No, he was hiding the things there only. Till the jackfruit tree is there. From there only the girl took the cross. So true it is. As a boy, the visitor used to swing on the turnstile. True. He was slanting on the turnstile means what I say, gate. He was playing on the gate only. That is also true. The visitor had sold the house. Yes, that was his house only. He sold after the grandmother died. A girl came out of the house. True. The visitor's grandfather used to sit on the stone bench. That is wrong. The visitor's grandmother. So this is false. So out of 6, the 6th one is what? False. The visitor was able to remember the music of piano. True. The visitor was able to climb the jackfruit tree. Is it possible? He was able. He was able means what? He can. No, he cannot because he is middle aged. So false. So what are the things I said false? Sixth and eighth one. The purpose of the visit of the narrator was to buy his ancestral house back. Is it correct? No. To recollect his past. So that is false. The visitor climbed over the wall easily. True. So what are the things false in that? The visitor's grandfather used to sit on the stone bench. Sixth one is false. And the eighth one, the visitor was able to climb the jackfruit tree. False. And ninth one, the purpose of the visit of the narrator was, narrator means those who are telling story to us, to buy his ancestral house back, ancestral forefathers. That is false. So these three only false, are the others are true. Clear? Now we have to go further. Choose the correct answer. The story I cannot climb trees anymore highlights the importance of old age, youth, adulthood, middle age. Refer your books. The story I cannot climb the trees anymore. Let me write what are the options. First one options, old age, youth, adulthood. These are the stages of man. And middle age. I cannot climb the trees anymore highlights. This highlights means what? What does it give the importance? It gives the importance of youth. This is option B. Clear? What's the answer for that? Option B. Next one, the house which was visited by the man remained unchanged, was totally changed, was slightly repaired, was given a facelift. Remain unchanged. Answer is what? Remain. And third one is, who said a blessing rests on the house where the shadow of the tree falls? Who said? Options are grandmother, grandfather, uncle, the visitor. We have seen already, that is grandmother. So answer is option A. While writing the answer, you have to write the options. Grandmother. Fourth one is, the visitor came back to the house because he wanted to see the jackfruit. He was looking for his youth. He wanted to look again at his old house. He wanted to buy the house. So he was looking for his last youth. B. Here the last means LAST last means கடைசியில் இருக்கிறது. Here LOST last means last, தொலைஞ்சு போன ஒன்று. And the last one is, the visitor gifted the dash to the little girl. What he gave? Iron cross, marbles, bronze medal, old coins. Iron cross. What his grandfather got? No? So option A, iron cross. So if you are listening the story, easily you can write the answers by yourself. So after completing the lesson, I don't know whether first unit is completed properly or not. Let me see afterwards. Second lesson we have completed. So I cannot climb the trees anymore. You know the story well. And we have seen about statements. What are the statements, true or false? By understanding the story only you can choose the correct answer. We have written that. And remaining things, question and answers and other things and all, we'll see in other class. So children, any doubts in this? So what are the words we have seen here? Colonel. Colonel means what I said. One of the stages in the, one of the grades in the army. Brigadier is the highest one. Okay, yeah. Important points is guest house. That is house which is adjacent to the house. So house, the residents are those who are living permanently. Guest house is the place where the other persons, suppose our relatives, friends, whoever come, they may come and stay there. And bougainvillea is a kind of tree that is in Tamil we used to say no kagidapun solluvom parunga, that we have to say in English bougainvillea. And Budgerians, it's a kind of parrot, that is Australian parrot. And some of the greatest awards given to grandfather got the got Iron Cross from the German soldier. Some of the greatest award given in our Indian army is the Paramveer Chakra. This is the highest wartime award. Okay, yeah. So far, it is given for 21 heroes, 21 fearless heroes. Then two more questions. Then we are just recollecting the points only. What did the visitor hide in the jackfruit tree? I said already. When did the visitor actually hide the iron cross? When it was, even though correct time was not given, you have to read the story entail and you have to follow. Before 25 years he sold away. So when he hide the cross means hide changes into hid. Did hide changes into it. Whenever the past tense you have to write did hide. The answer it comes what? Hid. He hid the iron cross under the jackfruit tree. That is 25 years before. So meanings, synonyms, there is no synonyms. Synonyms are such a big one, I will say what it is. Only important things only we have to go through. Big answers means we can make it up short in other class. We have seen the statement, true or false, everything. And further we want to say means degrees of comparison we can see. Degrees of comparison, that is nothing else, only adjectives we have to compare. I will continue in other class. Degrees of comparison is adjectives. That is adjective already in the lower classes and all you would have studied. It qualifies the noun. For example, what is the adjective? It qualifies the noun I said. Tall girl. This tall is the adjective. What kind of girl she is? Tall girl. So beautiful girl. Like this is adjective that qualifies the noun. This is the noun. This is adjective. So this tall belongs to girl. It says what kind of girl she is. This is qualifies the noun. In next class we have to say degrees of comparison. That is how to compare. There are three kinds of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. And we have to see how we have to use the degrees in every sentence. Okay. Let us see in other class.